Okay, so we started with laying down the LEDs, and then I put like some plastic around the ones in the center to fill with some resin. And then here you can see I started wiring them up, and then that resin is filled in the center to cover and protect the LEDs. And then we drilled out and filled with resin all of the plastic bits. I forget what they're all called. Flow plates and whatever. Terrible with names of stuff. And then here we've got it wired up again. I drilled out the kind of over the screw holes in that resin slab in the middle so that I can still get to the screws there. And then here it is with the plastic pieces sticking on top. Lights on. That's kind of what it looks like. And then we have like the whole thing put together, and I scuffed up all of the resin to kind of just diffuse the light a little bit with some color all put together, and the whole thing right side up. And here I went ahead and added a Bluetooth module to all the existing stuff from the previous video. There's a Bluetooth module, and we'll go over that here in a second. Alright, so I hooked it up to some Bluetooth and also put this little LED on the inside that is basically my battery indicator. Green means it's good, yellow means it needs to recharge, and red means it's pretty low. Here's the app. I didn't make this app, it's just an app that from Adafruit that I can use. So it's just got a couple buttons. We go in here. Right arrow tells me the percentage of the battery. Also turns that light on if it's not. Left arrow turns it off, tells me the percentage. Up and down or brightness. So going like steps of 5, or yeah, 5%. And I set it to kind of min out at like 10%, just so that I don't know, I guess, so that I don't like leave it running and think it's off. And then these are just kind of your modes that you can select. So this guy here, why does it do that? It's not connecting. So this one just sets it into like a rainbow mode. This one just cycles, I guess, solid colors but through the rainbow. This one blends between several different modes. I don't remember what that third mode is. And then this fourth one, I can set the color and pick it. There is a color picker right here. We can like say choose that color, choose this color, and it'll just leave it there. But that's basically it for the app. And then I would love to do some video of me actually like using it, like curb nudging and stuff, but my knees just are, I don't know, going pretty bad, and for a little while now I've been pretty hesitant to really do much with it. But I did do a bunch of stuff with it after installing it, and it's pretty solid. Like, it's kind of scuffed up, I guess, but it's like totally protected. The LEDs aren't busted or anything. They're all still in there. They're all protected by this resin. You can still do curb nudges. You could still do whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it.